Now what on earth is this? Well, here's a clue if it helps. A long time ago, it was the chief tool of an apothecary. Well, what did the apothecary do with this? The apothecary was the forerunner of a chemist or a pharmacist, and what he did with this was to make pills, which were originally little round balls. Here's how it worked. He would take the drug that he wanted to make into pills, mix it up with water, and make a sort of dough. Rather like pastry, and just like pastry, it was rolled out into a flat sheet. In fact, with some of these pill machines, there was an area at the back here, and by putting the rolling pin on those brass guides, he could make sure that the dough was always the same thickness. And that's not a bad trick, because you want the pills to have the same amount of medicine in each one. Then that little slab of dough was picked up and put onto these brass gutters. And you'll notice that if I lift up the handle, those brass gutters are equally spaced there and there. And there are little rollers here which work on the brass guides. So much so that if I put that down there, press it, and then shove it forward on its rollers, that dough gets cut into equally sized sausages, like that. I'll just do it again. There we go. And they came off into that sort of tray there. Well, there were various ways of doing this, and I'm not really expert, but you can see that if you take one of those sausages, straighten it out, and put it back on that grid there, by putting the handle on it again and rolling, it comes off as little balls into the pill dispensing tray. And they were then picked up and in the palm of the pharmacist's hand rolled around like that to make them round. And if they tasted bitter, at that stage he could put sugar on his hand and give them the sugar coating. And these are some very early pills you can see. There's a dark substance inside that tasted nasty, and it's covered with a sugar coating.